Yo guys, welcome back to a new video on my channel. My name is Dan for Over. Thank you once again for tuning in to this amazing video. Guys, today I see something very interesting right now in the price chart. If you look to the price chart of Polkadot, I will be right away going into the video because this is a quick update video about a possible trade that you can be taking right now. I already have set my limit order because I am willing to enter this Polkadot trade because I believe that we can be creating very good follow through. I will be giving my arguments. I mean, the Polkadot compared to USD chart is looking good. The Polkadot compared to Ethereum chart is looking good, and the Polkadot compared to Bitcoin chart as well. So in this video, we will be discussing all these kinds of things. So if you're interested, make sure to right away smash up that like button. Also, let me know in the comment section if you're seeing some other projects that are also looking very interesting. But let's go without any further ado into the video. So guys, what you currently can see, and earlier today in the stream, I was also discussing it, is that we are seeing a Polkadot breakout on the 4-hourly time frame. So, symmetrical triangle getting formed on the price section of Polkadot. You can see here 4 touches on the top side already, and also 1, 2, 3, 4 touches on the lower side. So, symmetrical triangle showing a lot of significance right now in the chart, and also just a few hours ago, we were seeing the breakout. So, what is my strategy, and what will I be doing here to enter this trade? Right away, we'll be saying it to you guys. Guys, I have set a limit order at the $43.20 here. So that's definitely a good entry target in my opinion. So it has not got filled yet here, and that's the reason why I also make this quick update video. I am affording to lose a 2% here, and with a possible price target, of course, I will be right away measuring the price target for you guys. This is absolutely insane price target that we can be getting, and this is, of course, I like the setup, and the reason why I'm saying I like the setup is because the risk is only 2.3% with a potential reward of 21%, so it's definitely worth it in my opinion. I will be riding this one to new all-time highs, so looking forward to it. Yeah, of course, the US dollar chart already showing the significance. Also, guys, if you just look purely at the previous all-time high and at the levels that we're currently trading on, we're finding support at the previous all-time high. It's definitely going to move a little bit higher. And also, if you flip onto the EMA ribbons, you can see we're trading above the EMA ribbons on the 4-hour. The daily is trading pretty nice above the EMA ribbon as well. So as you can see over here, you're getting supported by the EMA ribbon. Besides that, there are some red flags flagging right now at the moment as well, because yes, on the daily we are having a big wick getting created on the top side, and that's not a thing that I would like to see here. But of course, we are anticipating a retest on the 4-hourly candle, so the 4-hour is still looking good. So that's definitely a thing that's making me feel very exciting. We have not created the bearish divergence yet here because the 4-hourly candle close was lower, but probably if we're going to see a higher high getting closed, we're probably going to create a bearish divergence. So in the immediate short term, we are already creating one, to be honest. Of course, not on the daily candle. So as you can see over here, you're creating a higher high in the price chart, lower high in the RSI. So that's also the reason why we are dropping off right now. But I mean, this drop off was also very likely to happen because we want to be seeing the confirmation of the retest of the symmetrical triangle, because if I'm not seeing a confirmation, I will be not entering this trade. So I definitely feel very excited about it. And the most exciting chart, to be honest, guys, is the DOT compared to Ethereum chart. So let me get this chart in front of you. And let's discuss this chart altogether, because as you can see over here, Polkadot compared to Ethereum, very important chart. And in my opinion, this is a chart that you do want to be looking at if you are willing to open a trade here on Polkadot. You want to be seeing, is Polkadot going to outperform Ethereum? Is Polkadot going to outperform, is Polkadot just going to give me more returns? So as you can see over here, previously got stopped out of here, moved higher, and since retesting that level another time, you were breaking above it. And right now, finally, you're getting the retest. So here you already got a retest, but only with a wick, and you right away bounce back to the upside. But yeah, right now you can see we're getting the retest in here. I do believe that we are going to see insane spike to the upside getting created. Of course, we're already creating a big wick on the top side, but I definitely think that we can be creating more momentum to the upside. It is not over yet here. We're trading at very critical support. And guys, what I do like to do on the channel here is, of course, buy at support. I'm not looking to sell at support, guys. I'm looking to buy at support and also trade, of course, at support lines. So of course, also the Polkadot compared to Bitcoin valuation is very important. It is also a chart that I will be right now looking at, and this chart is also making me feel very exciting. And guys, for the people that are still wondering, Rover, what do you currently think about Bitcoin? I will be not talking about Bitcoin in this video, but just quickly giving you my opinion about it, because yes, it will be very important what Polkadot will be doing, because is Bitcoin going to freak out? Is Bitcoin going to go below the 60K? Of course, as Bitcoin is going to drop off, it will be dragging the price section of DOT with it, because Bitcoin is just the leader of the market, and it will be dragging the cryptocurrency space with it. So, in general, I still feel bullish about Bitcoin. There's nothing to worry about, guys. We're on a weekend. If we're going to see a minor, move to the downside getting created, we are going to create a CME gap on the top side, and it will be just a matter of time till we are going to go higher. So, in general, I still feel very excited about Bitcoin. I don't think that we're really going to see a correction. I do believe that we are going to see the coming week. Again, new all-time highs create for Bitcoin. That's also the reason why I'm accumulating this position on Polkadot right now, because I do think some of these altcoins will be giving me better returns than Bitcoin. So also for the Polkadot compared to Bitcoin chart, you can see clearly in an uptrend. And what do you want to be doing once you're trading an uptrend? And if I just remove all the drawings, guys, what can you be doing if you're trading an uptrend? You can be buying the dumps. So is it over yet here? No, I don't think so. What are we forming right now? It looks to be, you can be approaching this one in different ways here. You can be looking at this maybe as an a rising wedge. You can be looking at this. You can be also, like I just told you before, you can be looking at this. If I just flip onto the horizontals, you can see horizontal support flips into horizontal resistance over here. Once again, flips into support over here. But yeah, you can also say the previous resistance on the top side is right now once again getting us rejected. And we were already talking about the level for multiple times here. But I do think the more times you're testing a resistance, the more likely it will be that you're going to break it. And this daily candle is still not closed yet here. So I mean, we were already anticipating this bounce to the upside getting created, because as you can see over here as well, is that we are here finding resistance at this level. And since breaking above it, you can see it's right now successfully tested it as support. And you're basically in an uptrend, so you're setting higher lows, and you want to be buying the lows, guys. And I definitely think if we're going to see a correction, it will be definitely once again a higher low. And in general, we're going to see the all-time high getting broken here in the Polkadot compared to Bitcoin chart. It's looking particularly good here. We're in an uptrend, setting higher highs, higher lows. You want to be trading with the trend. Also, if you just flip onto the MACD, I will be exactly telling you the same here. We are in an uptrend. You can see here the MACD is also almost is about to cross once again here on the daily candle. So that's also making me feel very exciting. So guys, this was basically my reason why I am right now anticipating this pattern. Of course, on the 4 hour, we almost got entered already. You can set up your limit order. And if you really want to enter already, yes, you can be doing so, because maybe this was already the wick. But my suggestion, if you're willing to enter your trade right now, I should open it, but definitely set some limit orders. Because if we're going to go lower, you want to be adding more to your position to average in on a very nice price, so you can still ride it to new all-time high. So, of course, guys, thank you for watching. And if you want to be signing up with the Famix referral link or with the Bible referral link, would be, of course, very amazing. Because if you're doing so, you're getting some extra bonuses. And, yeah, we will be just crushing the market altogether. So, would love to see you over there here, guys. So hopefully we're going to crush this market all together, and let's see what it will be doing. But I definitely believe this is a very good trade setup. So thank you for watching. Hopefully I'm going to see you back in another video here on the channel later on. So thank you for watching, and peace out.